Okay guys, so here's our first video for the school year, and how this works is, like I said, I will basically work through a few of each type of problem. I won't work through them all. So you'll see here I have 1 through 6, and then I'm going to jump to 7 through 12, well 7 through 14, and then, okay, so they're all there. I just won't work them all out, okay? So we're going to start with problems 1, 2, 3, 4 are all of your two-step equations like you had your quiz on today. So for instance, for problem number 1, we're going to move our 7 first. So negative 8 minus 7 gives me negative 15. And then we're going to divide by our 3, and m would equal negative 5. Okay, number 4 down here, I'll shoot down here. Number 1 and number 3 are very similar in their process. Okay, they even look the same. Number 2 and number 4 are going to be similar. I'm just going to jump to 4 because we have a negative here. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides, which gives me positive 21. And when you divide by 7, a is equal to negative 3. Okay, on number 5, first thing we're going to move here is going to be your 6. So I'm going to subtract 6. So 2x over 3 is going to equal 18. Okay, then I'm going to multiply by 3 next. So 18 times 3 is going to be 54. And divide by 2, and our x should be 27. Now I'm not going to work through the entire problem on number 6, but I am going to talk about your process. So similar to number 5, we're going to have to move the part that's not part of the fraction first. So I'm going to move the 8 first. But don't forget that leaves you with that negative sign there. Signs are the same here, so I added and kept the sign, so that's negative 12. Okay, so now we're still got the same process that we had over on number 5. I'm going to multiply by 8 first. Get that value right there. And then when you're done, you're going to divide by negative 3. Okay, so you should have a negative divided by a negative, which should make your answer to number 6 positive. All right, 7 through 14, I believe, are all your exponent rule problems on this page. Okay, remember exponent rules, if you're adding or subtracting, you have to have the same exponent and the exponent stays the same. Multiplication, you add your exponents. Division, you subtract your exponents. And power to a power, you are going to multiply your exponents. So on number 7, we see we're subtracting, so we're going to subtract our big numbers. 4 minus 5 is going to give me negative 1, and you keep your exponent the same. You can also leave the 1 out, and it's understood, and just write negative m to the third. Okay, number 8 is a power to a power problem, meaning we're going to distribute this power. So 4 to the third and m to the fifth to the third. So here 4 to the third means 4 times 4 times 4, or 16 times 4, which is 64. And you multiply for power to a power, so that would be m to the 15th.